Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series are heating up. With stellar camera performance on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it's exciting to see what Samsung has in store for us next. And the future already looks bright for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra flagship, which is expected to include a massive 200 megapixel camera. According to a new leak, the company has yet to reveal the specific camera sensor that the phone will use. Earlier rumors suggested that the Samsung might use an ISOCELL HP1 or HP3 sensor for the 200 megapixel camera. The ISOCELL HP3 sensor was introduced by Samsung, but it has recently been suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may forego this new camera section. Now, a tweet from trustworthy leaker Ice Universe claims that the S23 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel camera, but that sensor has yet to be released. This could work particularly well for the next ultra-grade Samsung flagship. The HP3 is a mid-range sensor from Samsung, while the HP1 is a larger and more refined sensor that is expected to be debuted on Motorola's X30 Pro or the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. Perhaps Samsung has another sensor planned for its own flagship in order to outperform the competition. While the sensor's specifications are unknown, the new sensor is likely to outperform the Motorola's 200 megapixel phones. So far, it seems Motorola is likely to be the first company to release a phone with a 200 megapixel camera. Motorola recently released a photo taken on its X30 Pro in the race to 200 megapixel. According to Ice Universe's tweet, the Motorola's 200 megapixel image was captured using pixel binning, which is a technique that merges pixels to take a large image and resolve it into a smaller one while preserving details. Pixel binning is ideal for phones that are steadily increasing in megapixel count. It means that a 200 megapixel image can be easily compressed to a super high resolution 20 megapixel image. 200 megapixel on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or Motorola X30 Pro is not breaking news. Companies have increased the number of megapixels in recent years. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 108 megapixel main camera, the Pixel 6 has a 50 megapixel main sensor, and the iPhone 14 Pro is expected to have a 48 megapixel main camera. Having more megapixels is probably good for marketing new phones, but does it necessarily mean better images? The answer is no, not necessarily. More megapixels imply a sharper image, not necessarily a better image. Pixel size is important because it determines how much data a sensor can take in, but other factors such as post-image processing and computational photography are just as important. This is why a 108 megapixel photo isn't always superior to a 12 megapixel photo. So whatever sensor Samsung chooses for the 200 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we hope the company also considers software. The Samsung Galaxy S22 has an excellent 108 megapixel camera that frequently produces stunning images, but there is room for improvement when it comes to colors and handling difficult photography scenarios, such as brightly lit outdoor areas with a lot of shadows. According to the leak, Samsung will use a new sensor for the 200 megapixel camera on the S23 Ultra, meaning that the company has big plans for its flagship phone. Meanwhile, keep an eye out for our videos for the most recent rumors and leaks. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.